Welcome back, folks. My name's Hassan. In today's video, we're checking out the Shure SM58, a microphone that has been around for decades. And I'm sure if you haven't used it, then you have at least seen it either live or on TV. Let's get into it. Now, the Shure SM58 is an end-addressed dynamic microphone. It is the only handheld microphone that I've ever had my hands on. No pun intended. But yeah, so this takes a lot of beatings on stage. It's built like a tank, metal all around, and this is a legendary look of a microphone. If you ask anyone to draw a microphone out of memory, they will probably be drawing a microphone that looks exactly like this. This is a microphone that when you think about a microphone, this is what you think about. Or at least for myself, when I think about a microphone, I think about the Shure SM58, or at least this form factor. Just a quick disclaimer here, this video is not sponsored. I purchased the microphone by myself. I just wanted to own a Shure SM58. I might not get the 57, which I think the SM57 is almost exactly the same apart from a different pop filter. It is heavier than it looks. Even though it's meant to be held in hands, it still has that annoying microphone handling noise. So it doesn't mitigate against that. Let's put it back before it gets too annoying. Let's see what comes in the box. Now, I think it comes in different versions. There's a version with a switch on it. There's different kinds of other versions as well. I chose the most simple version because I just didn't want to get a mic that had a on-off switch. It's just one more thing that can break. So I just went for the simplest option. No bells and whistles, just needed the microphone. The packaging is kind of similar to other Shure microphones. First, you get a bunch of different documentation. It comes with a Shure sticker, of course, and the mic actually comes in a bubble wrap, and it has a leather pouch or a bag, which does have a nice feel to it. Maybe it feels better than the one that Rode microphones have, or almost the same. It does have the adapter. It's an adapter that will allow you to plug your microphones to different desk stands and boom arms. So anyways, it's good that it's just a standard microphone adapter for connecting to different places. Now let's do a polar pattern test. Now before I do that, I do have some of the audio processing turned on in the Rodecaster Pro, and probably I should turn them off before I do the test. And so this is what it sounds like without any audio processing applied on the mic, and also no processing no post-processing during editing as well. And so this is what it sounds like when I'm speaking directly at it. And if I move away, just turn it 90 degrees away from my face, this is what it sounds like. Wow, it cut me off real good. And if I just go all the way back, now I'm talking behind it, or yeah, it's pointing away from my face. This is what it sounds like. And back at 90 degrees and back towards me. And this is what it sounds like. The second thing I wanted to try out is Plosive test. Now, even though it looks like it has a pop filter on, it's not that good. It's not that good. So let me just give you a small example. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Okay? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. It is super bad. But if you just not speak directly at it, and now if I say Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, it's much, much better. Now let me just turn the processing on so you can hear how it sounds like when you add a few processing. So Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. See, nothing is gone. A real quick comparison between the Shure SM58, which is a $100 microphone, and the Shure SM7B, which is a $400 microphone. We're talking US dollars here. And you be the judge in terms of the audio quality as compared to the SM7B, which is this microphone, and the Shure SM58. So just let me know which one do you prefer the sound of. So this is not a real comparison video. I just thought about it before I stopped the recording. But yeah, so this is the SM58. And this is the SM7B one last time. I just wanted to make a quick video about the Shure SM58. I'll make a detailed review sometimes in the future, but I just wanted to have a video out talking about this microphone because I absolutely love it. Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you like this video or if you have any questions regarding this microphone, or if you have a suggestion for me to make a video on. Let's get into it. See you in the next video. Cheers.